Are you getting scammed in the name of Hakka noodles? चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाओ, काली बिल्ली दिखे तो भाग जाओ. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Master Chow. This page is for foodies, by foodies and with foodies, so you better have your appetite ready. And we are fully honest over here. There might be some controversial opinions about your favorites, but honestly, sorry not sorry. Today I'm going to try 3 different types of Hakka noodles, from cheap, middle to expensive. And let's see which one is the Asli Chinese certified. So let's get started, but not like this. And now we're talking. Let's go. We're starting with Little Dragon. The name has little in it, but the flavors are big and bold. It has a 5-star rating, so I had to check it out. Why 5-star rating, you might ask? Because it takes 5 minutes to get ready, and the taste is star quality. Also, there's no GST. Trust me, I need to save the money, and you'll find out why. भैया ये रेस्टोरेंट ये कब से चालू किया है आपने? 40 ईयर से. कितने ऑर्डर होते दिन के?
होता है 30-35
मतलब हाका नूडल के कितने ऑर्डर जाते हैं?
बहुत जाता है.
स्टार्टिंग में जब था तो कितने रुपए का बेचते थे?
में था 8 रुपए.
8 रुपए का. और अब
अभी है 150.
150 रुपए का. तो 8 रुपए से 150 रुपए का हो गया. असली चाइनीज है नाते हो?
असली साइज.
पक्का असली चाइनीज है.
हाँ जी.
Let's see if he's right or not. We have to taste it for ourselves. So I'm going to order Hakka noodles right now. This is bigger than my face. Quantity तो obviously बहुत ज़्यादा है, but I'm not complaining. I love the spring onions. I think they add a great flavor. The veggies are so fresh. They're perfectly cut and cooked. And overall, I think Hakka has a subtle flavor. So इसका flavor थोड़ा subtle ही है. But I know what can kick it off. It's gonna be this chili oil that I'm carrying. The color has fully changed, so I'm excited. This is orgasmic. I love it. Flavor profile पूरा change हो गया है, but subtly, flavors are great. Intensity I have controlled because I've added according to my taste, and it was good, but now it's really good. You have to try it. भैया ये try करोगे? Chili oil वाला.
बहुत टेस्टी.
सही है?
बहुत सही.
सही लग रहा है? I think it's Bhaiya approved. He's here since 40 years. I'm here since 4 minutes. But we're still aligned, so I'm guessing chow mein dum to hai, bro. This is the bill. It's 130 rupees. I don't think I've had chow mein cheaper than this. Obviously, school mein jo 10 rupees ke milte the, wo to alag hi the. But this is good and definitely worth it. In my master meter, I would give it a 7.9 on 10. Cheapest place to ho gaya, and the bar is really high. Will the next place live up to the expectations? Let's find out. Are you even from Delhi? If you don't know where I'm standing right now, I am at Pandaya Road, and obviously we're going to Ichiban. This restaurant is older than me, so obviously it's very iconic. My parents had their few dates over here. That's probably why I'm born right now. Also, fun fact, Rajesh Khanna inaugurated this restaurant, but let's hope that this Pushpa doesn't have any tears. They have Chinese, Japanese and Thai food. Hi. I wanted one Hakka noodles, please. Thank you. Excited. Guys, I didn't expect कि इसके पानी में mint infused होगा. Service is good. Servers are nice and warm. But now I'm thirsty, so let's drink. Decent. So while I'm waiting for my food, let me tell you why is Hakka noodles called Hakka noodles. So basically the Hakka community migrated from China to India during the World War I. They settled in East Kolkata, Tangra region to be specific. And that's what introduced the Desi Chinese that we have today. And I love it. Let's get right into it. Honestly, it's pretty basic, not as spicy. Definitely pretty bland. The veggies are cooked well, they're crunchy, but I can barely taste any seasonings or spices. In the master meter scale, I would give this a 6.2 because honestly, maza nahi aaya. I think I need to take out my secret ingredient right now. Genuinely, so good. अब आया असली Chinese का स्वाद. Okay, I'm gonna guess the bill, and I think it's gonna be somewhere around 500. Jama 580. Nah, I was pretty close, but was it worth it? Maybe not. This is probably the only Chinese restaurant जहाँ खाने के बाद मुझे sauce मिली है, but I'm not complaining. I am actually disgusting. Now we're going to Hyatt's, जिसका budget मेरे पास है नहीं, तो cost cutting के लिए here's my ride. Don't judge my ride. I'm at Hyatt. Let's get this party started. So guys, यहाँ पे मेरे पास यहाँ की प्रॉपर्टी के डॉक्यूमेंट्स है because it looks like that and it feels like that. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy. As you can see, menu है. But we're on the mission for Hakka noodles, so my vision is clear. मैं सिर्फ Hakka noodles पे focus करूँगा, even though the dim sums look great. कहाँ है? Bro, यहाँ पे Hakka noodles नहीं है. हमने research clearly उतनी अच्छी नहीं करी है. But so in the cheap Chinese, we actually saw Szechuan everywhere. हर जगह Szechuan chutney, Szechuan sauce था. But in this, there's Sichuan, which is actually a region in China जहाँ से cuisine originate हुआ है. So maybe we should try something similar to that. क्या करें bro? Excuse me. Sorry. Understood. Okay, we'll shoot it with the phone. Guys, पंगे हो गए हैं. There's trouble in paradise. Bro, 1100 रुपए का खीरा. Who will have, bro? ये देख, it's way out of budget, bro. My mom would kill me if she finds out I'm doing all of this. Hakka noodle तो मेन्यू में नहीं है, but Sichuan fried noodle vegetable bell pepper, थक गया बोलते बोलते, वो ऑर्डर करते हैं. गाइज ये तो मेरी साइज के अकॉर्डिंग दिया है, डबल एक्सएल. क्वांटिटी में कंजूसी बिल्कुल नहीं है, सो दैट्स इम्प्रेसिव. 5 स्टार में आई थॉट चुंजूसा देंगे, बट दिस इज़ वेरी हैवी. भाई मेरे बाइसेप्स हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. चॉपस्टिक से खाना तो आता है मुझे, देख लो. स्पाइसी तो नहीं है, ढाबा स्टाइल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बट इट्स रियली गुड. असली चाइनीज़ मे बी नॉट. I would give this a solid 7.8 on the master meter. Cheers. 3,500 रुपए, 3600 for 2 noodles. भाई मैंने तो मेन कोर्स भी ऑर्डर नहीं किया है bro. I mean expected तो था to be honest. But was it worth the price? Maybe not. So the winner of today's master marathon of Hakka noodles cheap versus expensive is China Kitchen. I'm surprised you probably would be as well. इसके पैसे मैंने नहीं दिए हैं, so I'm not complaining. आप देते तो maybe you wouldn't have made this the winner, but this is truly deserving. I loved it. You love it. Don't hold it against me, or maybe you can.